All right, for those who didn't understand that, basically Brand Registry 1.0 was before April 2017 or about there, and then after that was Brand Registry 2.0. What those mean is if you have trademark, you can get Brand Registry 2.0. You get access to all these extra features like enhanced brand content and Amazon Video. Before that, you had some form of brand registry, which is 1.0, but to get to 2.0, you need a trademark, and there's no way to go back and get brand registry 1.0. So if you don't have a trademark, you don't have that, like you're a newer seller, it's okay. You can still add video to your listing. It won't show up on the image results, at the bottom there, but you can get videos on your listing down by the reviews, and we'll show you guys how to do that in the video where we talk about the Amazon Video Shorts, and you can upload that, and it's a great way to get video of your product up there if you don't have brand registry. Okay, Eric, do you want to talk about how people could potentially get video on their listing, maybe with brand registry, and if they can get it on there without?
So as useful background context, traditionally speaking, you would need Amazon Brand Registry 2.0, which, what are the requirements? Would be trademark, can be US, UK, Mexico, or many of the other international USPTO trademark equivalents. You would need branding on the packaging as well as a website. That's the traditional requirements, which are difficult and annoying, and it takes time. 8 months for United States.
Okay, yeah, it's not fast.
Yeah. A small workaround, which does work, and it's not too gray hat, in my opinion. So a lot of you should be grandfathered into Brand Registry 1.0 for some listings. So maybe you have a listing that you've been selling for like over a year, and at the time you did meet the brand registry requirements and you are brand registered, right? Brand Registry 1.0. So for whatever brand that's the old brand registry, you can create a listing. You need to exact match that same brand, copy and paste it. And what you would do is when you initially launch a listing, even if it's not going to be, it's going to be a new brand, you have it as if it's the same old brand, but when it's already brand registered. And then you take advantage to upload your EBC, you upload your video, and then once that's been submitted and approved, then you can change the brand to what you actually want it to be. And so you can do this, and then it does work, but there's a bit of a time sensitivity, because when a listing is first created, you can make such changes like changing a brand on a listing, but your timeline's only probably about the first 4 weeks of a listing's being created, that you can change that after being locked down, and afterward you can't just change a brand on a listing like that.
Oh, okay, that's actually pretty useful to know. So if you were to accidentally put in the wrong brand name, it wouldn't be the end of the world. There's your tip.
Yeah.
Now you guys know how to do it. Sweet. Thanks. All right, next video.